it's Juliet here from Healing Water Sanctuary Retreat Centre, and I'm out here at Ham Wall, and I'm just amazed by seeing these swans just going round and round, and it's a glorious day. I'm not quite sure what they're doing. I can't even see if it's one or two from here. So maybe it's just one. Anyway, I've never seen a swan go round and round. So we have a fabulous day, and it's so magical here, out here on the nature reserve. And out on the other side we have geese. The geese are out here, although I can't see them. So absolutely an unbelievable day. So wherever you are, I hope you're finding beauty and peace in your day, and you have an opportunity to get out and to be with nature, or to connect with good friends, or things that help regulate the nervous system, help us to feel calm. And that's our intention at Healing Water Sanctuary, to provide a safe space for you to come and regulate, to be still and calm, let the stresses of the world just pass you by at this moment in time. There's a lot happening, and it's best, if you don't want to be overwhelmed, just not to engage too closely in what's happening right now. So just reassuring you that despite appearances, all is well, and that we will come through this time.